got tools and equipment and trainers now to affect the residents. So in the event we have an extended operation or something with a unique set of challenges, we're fortunate to have the personnel of the city that can meet those challenges. In the event somebody is involved in a traffic collision, something very serious, our local trauma centers are also equipped to handle those type of emergencies. UCI Medical Center, which is one of our closest trauma centers, is very close. Short drive, maybe 5-minute drive on the 5 South.
Meanwhile, while Anaheim Fire and Rescue showed off their Jaws of Life, Anaheim Police showed off their SWAT tank along with various SWAT equipment. Along with that equipment included an array of weapons, all unloaded of course, but members of the public, including children, could come up and aim the weapons.